Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon, Pratiksha.
Hi, hi, students. So today we have a very great person, and he is the name is Parveen Sharma. So he is the CEO at the BIM Engineers. Actually, he is working on BIM and Scan to BIM. He have lots of experience in BIM. So welcome, sir. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Thank you.
Yes, yes. Sir. So with your kind permission, shall we start, sir?
Yes, please.
Yeah. So, sir, firstly, I want to know about your journey, how all this started, and how you started the beam and all these things. So,
Okay. See, first, very briefly, I want to cover the topic. What we are talking here is BIM.
yeah,
And I'm sure all your esteemed panelists and attendance people and your student professionals, they are well aware about this technology called BIM.
hmm.
If not, I can just very briefly cover. This is building information modeling, and where we are doing the virtual construction. We are doing the construction through the computer. So
Yeah,
people are doing construction on site. We call them
hmm.
contractor or construction companies. In this technology, we are replicating the same process in computer environment, or you can say digital twin or virtual construction environment.
Okay,
I started my journey way back in 1998,
okay,
almost 23, 24 years back.
yeah,
And at that point of time, this software or this technology called BIM was not very popular.
hmm.
Although it was in existence in some part of the world, but primarily the drawings were being done on either AutoCAD, or even many of the projects were still being done through the drafting board, pencil board, and the traditional paper-based
Yeah,
drawing skills.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so how did you start this the beam engineers?
That's an interesting journey. See, I can tell you throughout my career, I have been fascinated about technology.
Yeah,
Any technology which improves our life, whether it's mobile phone or car or airport or whatever you name, any technology is always welcome. And I
hmm.
keep exploring new and new technologies. When I graduated in 1998, my inclination were toward adapting new technologies.
Hmm.
So throughout my life, all 24 years, I have been working in technology industry.
Okay,
And when we see lots of possibilities in
hmm.
2018, we see the market is growing very fast and the whole world is looking towards India for the
Hmm.
technology potential for the global construction industry. That's how we started the BIM Engineers in 2018.
Okay, in 2018.
Yes.
Yes, okay, great. So how many employees are, what is your team size right now?
Right now, we are more than 550 engineers working with us.
Arey wow, very good number, sir.
On We have presence in 22 countries,
Hmm.
and if you see our own offices,
Okay,
basically
great.
we are a Dutch company, so our headquarter is in Netherlands in Europe,
Okay,
and we have 12, yes, 22 offices all across the globe, from Far East in Australia, New Zealand, then Singapore, Malaysia. In Europe, we have our own 7, 8 offices in Denmark, Sweden, UK, Germany,
okay, okay.
and in India we have two offices, one in Chennai
Mm-hmm.
and one in New Delhi. That's our global design center. Then in far west in Canada or US, we have our own operations.
Okay,
In
okay.
Bangalore also we have a large presence, but many of our client are working at client. Many of our staff members are operating out of home or at client offices or construction site. For example, Bangalore Airport.
Mm-hmm.
We have large team working on Bangalore Airport project.
Okay, okay. So, sir, as a CEO of the BIM Engineers, what is your profile? What are the roles and responsibilities of yours?
See, uh, as a front runner, you always have to be ahead of time. So you have to keep exploring new technologies and new possibilities.
Mm-hmm.
So whenever there is new adoption of technology, or in nutshell, you can say wherever the construction is happening,
Hmm.
we people have to be there at first.
Yes.
Any new technology coming up in the market, we have to adapt it, try, test, and if it's successful, we try to implement into the new upcoming projects.
Okay.
And India is fortunately is one such market where lots of construction is going to happen in next 15 to 20 years. You will see a huge inflow of
Hmm.
new technologies into India because we are almost building our country again. The whole
Yes.
country is being built again. All the highway, bridge, tunnel, road, airport, metro, high speed rail, smart cities, everything is getting built from scratch. So
Hmm.
that's why India is very interesting market for young people like you and your students in next 15 to 20 years.
Yes. Yes.
Whatever infrastructure you see now is going to be completely changed and upgraded in next 15 20 years.
Yes. Yes.
Exciting time for all of us.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I can suggest to all of your students that be ready, be market ready.
Hmm.
And CAD Center is fortunately one good place where you provide practical training.
Yes.
It's not just about the software, it's about the uses, how you have to implement them.
Hmm.
So if your student focus on your courses and learn it well, there will be ample opportunities to grow in their career, professional field very soon. The market is growing, and India happen to be very interesting place for next 2 decades.
Okay. So, in your company, there are some freshers students as well. So, what are the usual what are the usual expectations from that freshers?
See, learning a software with the commands is quite easy, but
Yes.
learning the construction methodologies is
Hmm.
very important. You should know the design process, how the buildings are getting built globally. So
Yes.
we call them design, and nowadays very popular, not just about design and then construction. Even after the construction, building has to be managed and operated, facility management for next 30, 40, 50, or 100 years.
Mm-hmm.
There also lots of money is involved.
Yes.
So if your student at fresher level can learn the full process of building, from the concept design to design development to tender, selection of tender, finalization, then going to construction site, project management, procurement of material, bill settlement, verification of quantities, then taking it to the next level of construction, and then coordination, clash detection, project management, even as built, how the building has been completed for facility management integration, future renovation, expansion, extension. Maybe at the end of the day, the building is going to be demolished after 50 or 100 years. So the
Yes.
full process has to is very important part of the full life cycle in a construction environment. So team
Okay.
should learn all those processes.
Okay. So, so I just want one, means if you, if possible, then can you explain your one of the project and so that, yeah.
Oh, I can very easily explain.
Yes.
See,
Yes.
in your city, the new terminal while T2
Yeah.
recently inaugurated. So
Okay.
I can give you an very very interesting some facts about the airport. It is one
Hmm.
of the most greenest and cleanest uh, airport in India.
Yes.
One very beautiful terminal. Another good thing about this BIL T2 is that it is the first airport project in India with a new integration of technology called COBE.
Okay.
COBIE. It will be very interesting for your students to know about this technology. It's called Construction Operation Building Information Exchange. COBIE. What it
Construction.
means? Operations Building Information Exchange.
Okay.
I can explain very briefly how it works.
Yes.
See, like I told you before, there are many phases in a construction project, from concept to design, operation, maintenance, built environment, facility management. So throughout the life cycle of the project, you have to keep sharing the same information. What is the size of a wall? What is the size of a window or door, cable tray, duct, pipe, column, beam, floor, ceiling? And you have to continue with the same for the next phase where the operation of the building will come into picture. How
Yes.
you are going to manage, run, how frequently you have to service your air condition,
Hmm.
uh, when you are going, what is the guarantee period of this light you have in your ceiling, who is
Yes.
the manufacturer, what warranty he or that company has provided for that particular equipment. So servicing to maintenance, and do you have any such spare light in your warehouse or go
Hmm.
down?
Mm-hmm.
So if you manage all this data throughout the process, we call it construction operation building information exchange.
Okay.
COBE, this BIL T2 is first project in India where COBE technology has been implemented.
Okay. And that project you are conducting right now.
Yes, our
Yeah.
team is still working. See, for
Okay.
public, it looks like the airport is fully operational, so construction is finished. But
Yeah.
actually, if you see behind the curtain, the data about the facility management, operation, maintenance, guarantee, warranty is still being implemented.
Okay.
So, behind the curtain, team is still working on COBE data integration at BIL T2, and that is going to be the one of the finest and very excellently managed airport project in India. Very nice case study.
Okay. So which softwares you are using for this data maintaining is
Yeah, see, primarily in our industry, we call it building information BIM industry. Uh, Lots of software. See, I don't want to name the software in particular. For
mm-hmm.
example, I can name some service provider. For example, Autodesk.
Hmm.
It has a full bouquet of software.
Yeah, yeah.
They call it AEC Design Suite.
Yes.
AutoCAD, Revit, Navisworks, and
All
CAD
this.
Pro, Tekla, ArchiCAD. All these are BIM software. Some
Mm-hmm.
of them are from Autodesk. Many of them are from Graphisoft, Bentley, Trimble,
Yeah.
MS Check. So there are many company which
Mm-hmm.
are providing different skill set, different category of softwares for our industry.
Mm-hmm.
BIM is a conglomerate or a combination of all these packages for
Yes.
different purposes. Sometimes we use Autodesk platform or Graphisoft or Trimble or Aviva or Bentley, whatever
Okay.
suits the project environment. We have to cater to those requirements. Bengaluru Airport is one such project where lots of technology has been used.
Okay.
Very, very interesting project. Even
Okay.
your Bengaluru to Mysore, the
Mm-hmm.
highway
Mm-hmm.
is a very interesting case study. They have implemented lots of technologies into that highway project.
Uh, I really want to know what are that technologies if you can
See,
explain.
it's very simple. You
Hmm.
start with basic design.
Hmm.
See, analysis, for example, Autodesk Civil 3D
Yes.
is for infrastructure project.
Yes. Yes.
If you plan it well, it can give you the best route optimization
Mm-hmm.
and best slopes, turn, twist, quantities can be fairly accurate. Clashes, problems, all the analysis in this world, whether it's flood analysis, for example,
Hmm.
or earthquake, or computational fluid dynamic, you can say airflow analysis.
Yes.
All those analysis can be done using BIM technology.
Yeah.
So all these highways and airport projects are using these technologies very efficiently. What is going to happen in case of fire in an airport or
Hmm.
an earthquake on a highway or building, whatever you call it, facility? So
Oh.
all these analysis are being done using BIM platform, and fortunately, Indian construction environment is adopting these technologies at a very fast pace. All
Yes.
big construction project, whether it's high speed rail, bullet train between Mumbai to Ahmedabad, high speed rail, national capital rail between Meerut to Delhi,
Mm-hmm.
Delhi to Alwar, all these big projects are very, I would say, fast pace. They are using these technologies.
Yeah. So, my next question is, Miss, what are the usual work profiles in designing or in BIM technology or AEC industry? So, what are the usual work profiles?
See, definitely there are good possibilities in the construction environment to grow and make a very nice career.
Hmm.
Starting from design engineers to
Hmm.
project managers, project technology integrator, now BIM coordinators, BIM managers,
Yeah.
team leads, and of course design engineers, architect and engineers. There are various profile and possibilities in our industry to grow and make your career.
Okay. So, if some fresher want to career in BIM, so what are the usual skills or competencies he have to upgrade in themselves?
See, I told you before, there are two main possibilities. One is technology, that is
Hmm.
software, and
Hmm.
another one is the industry. how industry work, how the building are getting constructed. And if you want to work in an international construction environment, for example, my team, we mainly do international projects. So you have to understand how the building are being designed, constructed, and managed in Europe or US or Australia or Singapore or Germany. So fortunately, there are lots of technology and the details, lots of I would say knowledge is available on internet.
Yes.
I have seen your YouTube channel. Lots of interesting information is stored on CAD Center YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So people can learn lots of new things from there.
Yes.
And good thing is it's all free.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. So, communication skill is playing vital role in this in our industry. So, what is your comment on this communication skill?
See, all my young colleagues from the industry, I can suggest a couple of things. Communication is, of course, very important.
Yeah.
You represent yourself in terms of presentation. If you speak good technical language, and another thing is you have to prepare your resume or CV or whatever you call it, a profile, very intelligently, and it's your responsibility to understand first line, first page, first word to last page, last line, and last word. So technology, it will only help if you help yourself.
Yeah.
So whatever you write in your CV, you have to understand all these things and present them well. And if you communicate well, there are ample job opportunities, and next 10-15 years there will be lots of new opening. I can tell you, Indian construction environment is going to change very soon. So if you are placed well and understand technology, understand software, understand design process, and have good communication skill, your career will grow at a very fast pace.
Yeah, sure. So, sir, sometime you were the fresher. So, when you were the fresher, then that time what difficulties you have faced? And
See, it's another thing I can suggest. It's good to get connected with the industry.
okay.
Find references, find people, talk to them, learn from them, and they will be the best people to refer your names. So first, Joe, getting entry into the door is the biggest challenge.
Yes, yes.
So if you know some people from the industry and they are ready to help you out, then nothing like that. And don't get desperate even if you don't know lots of people. Still, there are possibility. Make a good resume, understand your processes, specifically design, I would say, cover letters to each of the companies wherever you are applying for jobs. Prepare your portfolio of project. And then in Indian construction environment, I don't think there are lack of job opportunities.
Yeah. So you know about project management in planning something.
See, basically project management and BIM, you have two different aspects. One is designing a building, one is managing the process. So definitely project management is a very vast subject, and in India there are lots of opportunities in PMC sector. Yeah. Project management consultancy. And now the technology is merging with PMC. So if you know the BIM platform, now we are talking about project management through BIM. So if you know the technology and know the project management platform, then you are a very rare commodity, and lots of company will be willing to hire you in those fields. Okay. Yes, lots of job opportunities in PMC field. Okay. Project management consultancy. Yeah. So, I have to ask one question. Recently, you have said that if some fresher want to do career in BIM, so he have to upgrade themselves in construction methodologies also. So, Yes.
what are these construction methodologies? Can you explain them?
Just briefly, I can tell you. See, in past we used to make house of bricks, cement, mortar. Yeah. Now people are using concrete. If you have heard about Maiwan construction technology, so the whole house is made of concrete only. There are no brick involved. Then there are new technology like precast, prefab houses. Most of the construction project in Bangalore and even all over India now don't make the staircase on site. What they do, they purchase the staircase, they bring them on site and just tight some screw and the staircase is ready. Yes. Same goes with walls. Even I remember one case study in Karnataka. The government announced lots of Indira canteens for poor people at affordable rate. They serve food. And then Indira Canteen has a set protocol, 2 rooms, 1 kitchen, 1 front room. So the whole setup was prefabricated.
Okay.
It can put on a truck and you can put the Indira Canteen anywhere you want, in any place of Karnataka.
Okay.
So prefabricated buildings, prefabricated houses, and nowadays lots of, because labor cost is increasing every single day. So lots of technology are coming into these places. So lots of construction methodologies, for example, cast in situ, precast, prefabrication,
Yeah.
all these technologies, new materials are coming into play.
Yeah.
So
So
your student must explore these technologies. Lots of literature is available on internet.
yeah.
They
Yeah.
should learn. Yes.
So if someone want to do career, suppose someone want to do start his own business as a interior designer, or else he want to do business in BIM. So either he started business directly, or he have to do a job anywhere and gain some experience from industry. So what is your comment?
See, if you really ask me, my suggestion will be work in a construction environment, in a big company, multinational company, if possible. If possible, not everyone gets those opportunities.
Yes.
But if you work in a team, then you learn lots of new things which you will not be able to learn while working alone. So best possible way, but see, you don't have choice sometime. So try social media, try internet, try CAD centers, and learn new technologies from there, and then you can start your own business. There's no, yeah. It's not necessary you have to work on international projects or big projects. But if you can, then it's an added advantage.
Yes, yes, yes. So, yes, sir, any comment or any suggestion to fresher students from your side, sir?
To CAD center, I would say keep doing good for the society. And to all your student, I would say keep focusing on new technology. You are sitting at a very right place at very right time.
Yeah.
Lots of people were not so fortunate to be at a place in Indian construction history where lots of construction projects are going to be launched in next few years. So there will be ample job opportunities, lots of progress in the construction environment in India and internationally. So I wish you all the good luck and be prepared, be industry ready, and industry is waiting for you to join them.
Yes, sir. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you.
Yes.
Have a good day.
Have a good
Thank you,
day, sir.
everyone.
Yes.
Bye.